Good morning, children. How are you? All are enjoying the lessons, watching the video? Yes. So I hope you all have written the question answers of the first lesson. So what is our first lesson? Any one of them please tell me the lesson name? Yes, she is telling right. The mystery of the whispering ghost. Was it wonderful, no? Yes, it was very interesting story. Now, today we are going to start the second lesson. The second lesson of the story of Medusa and Athena. So, I hope you all have understood the lesson also. So, let us go for the revision. What is the story about? The story is about the girl called Medusa of Athens from Greece. So where did she live? She lived in Athens in Greece. What was proud of? She was proud of her beauty, like hair, eyes, lips and all. And she was saying, everyone, see my beauty and everything. So later she was losing her, or that means she was forgetting all her important works. Only she was worried about her beauty, and she was always showing her skin, beauty, eyes and all to the friends. One day she went for Parthenon. So there was a church, goddess temple, Parthenon. She went there, and there was a scripture of goddess Athena. And in the hallway, when she was walking, Medusa was walking on the way, she saw her face in the, on the wall that was made of copper. And she said to herself, wow, what so beautiful I am, and why did these people make the scripture of goddess Athena? And she said to her friends, hey foolish people, why did you make the Athena's sculpture here? And they also just moved away from her. Later, she was watching in the mirror. At that time, goddess Athena came and said, you foolish, what you are doing here? Beauty does not comfort the sick, teach the unskilled or feed the hungry. That means beauty doesn't give anybody food and comfort or health. So why are you so proud of your beauty? Then goddess said, if you see, if this time you are watching your face in the mirror, okay, but next time when you watch your face in the mirror, your face will be filled with snakes, and you will look like a monster. If they touch you or if they see you, you will become like stone. She was shocked, but she was unable to see her face in the mirror also. So this is the story of goddess Athens, goddess Athena and Medusa. So what is the moral here? We should not be proud of outside beauty. We should be happy what we have, and we should concentrate on our work. Beauty is not permanent, it is temporary. So when you take birth, when you are a baby, you look so cute, but day by day you go on growing, your body movement changes, body structure changes. So don't so be caring of your body outside look, be beautiful from inside. ಮುಖ ನೋಡಿ ಮೊಳ ಹಾಕಬೇಡ ಗುಣ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲಿಯಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So related to this only, this type of people are there. We watch them, we will be seeing them. So don't concentrate on outside beauty. Be interesting and beautiful from inside, like by having good characters, good qualities in you. What are the good qualities? Hard work, yes, reading, writing also, and not telling lie, yes, cleanliness also, yes, no wasting water, no wasting money. So these all are our good qualities. Being punctual also, come to school punctual at right time. These all are our good qualities. Now let us go for the page number 20. Those are our question and answers. Who was Medusa and what did she brag about? Take your classwork. Write down the heading. Lesson name Medusa. What is the lesson name? The story of Medusa and Athena. Now write down heading. Answer the following or answer these questions in brief. Okay. Who was Medusa and what did she brag about? Medusa was a young maiden. Write down. Medusa was a young maiden who lived in a palace called Athens in Greece. She was very proud of her beauty and bragged about it to everyone. In the page 18, you have Medusa was very proud of her beauty and boasted about it to everyone. She lived in a palace place called Athens in Greece. Okay, now let us go for second question. Read the second question. Where did Medusa go with her friends? Where did Medusa go? Medusa went to the Parthenon. Medusa went to the Parthenon with her friends. It was the largest temple of Athena, the goddess of wisdom. Have you written? Once again I am dictating the answer. Write down. Medusa went to Parthenon with her friends. Full stop. It was the largest temple of Athena, the goddess of wisdom. Wisdom means intelligence. Athena was very intelligent goddess. That means everything knowledge. Next we will go for third question. What is the third question? Here we have third question. How did goddess Athena teach Medusa a lesson? How did goddess Athena teach a lesson? Okay, write down now. Goddess Athena striped. The word striped is in your book. Yes? STRIPPED. Striped Medusa of her beauty completely. Goddess Athena striped Medusa of her beauty completely. She changed Medusa's face to that of a hideous monster. In the page number 19, last second paragraph you have here. You can write this also. Goddess Athena had uttered these words. Medusa's face changed to that of a hideous monster. Her hair twisted and thickened to horrible snakes that hissed and fought with each other atop her head. So full paragraph you should write down. Okay. Now let us go for next bit. That is second one. Read the given extracts and tick the correct option. Read along with me. Read the statements and tick the correct answers. Medusa. Where did Medusa live? Yes. Very good. Medusa lived in Athens. Next one. The Parthenon was the largest temple of Athena. The Parthenon was the largest temple of Athena, the goddess of Just now I told you, the goddess of wisdom. Yes, the goddess of wisdom. Next one. You should write down the answer in the box line and tick it. Next, Medusa thought she was dash than goddess Athena. So now once again tell me the answer. Medusa thought that she was dash than goddess Athena. Yes, anyone please tell me the answer. No one is telling the answer. Yes, she was prettier than goddess Athena. Okay. Next one. Goddess Athena said that anyone who saw Medusa would turn into not monster, not rat, not snake and stone. The answer is stone. The answer is stone. Goddess Athena said that anyone who saw Medusa would turn into stone. Now let us go for next page. Turn the page. Yes. Here we have read the given statements and select the correct inference. Once again, read the given statements and select the correct inference. So they have given a sentence related to that. There are 3 options. You should select any one which is proper answer. Here, first one, Medusa, but Medusa thought she would have made a better subject for the sculptor than goddess Athena. So Medusa thought, what did Medusa thought? Medusa thought goddess Athena was not beautiful. Yes? Okay. Medusa thought she was not more beautiful than goddess Athena. Is it right? Okay, let us see the next one also. Medusa thought the sculptor had not made a good sculpture of goddess Athena. So the right one is second one. This is correct answer. Medusa thought she was more beautiful than goddess Athena. Next one. She would not miss any chance to admire herself while she brushed her hair or when she passed the bedroom window or when she drew water for her father's horses. So what did she was doing? She was always watching in the mirror and here and there when she used to walk, she was telling about her beauty. So Medusa looked after her father's horses? No. Medusa carried a mirror all the time? No. Medusa was obsessed with her beauty? Yes, she was always proud with her beauty. So, Medusa was obsessed with her beauty is the right answer. People began to leave the temple as they feared with what might happen if the goddess had overheard Medusa's rash marks. So people all ran away from the temple because they were thinking, oh, this Medusa is talking about goddess Athena very badly. So they thought it might happen something bad. So let us run from the temple. So what happened now? Medusa was a short-tempered person? No. The people of Athens feared goddess Athena's temper? Okay. People approved of Medusa's remark? No, not third one also. The right answer is the people of Athens feared goddess Athena's temper. So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ದೇವರು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಟ್ನಾಗ ಬರ್ತಾಳಪ್ಪ, ಗಾಡೆಸ್ ಅಥೆನಾ ಸಿಟ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಾಳ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗುಡಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. So these are your question answers. Write them in your notebook and give it for corrections within 2-3 days. Don't get late. So in the next class, I am going to teach you about words like verbs, compound nouns. So nouns we all have studied noun. What is noun? Any one of them tell me the definition of noun? Yes, you are correct. See, he is telling the definition of noun. What is the definition of noun once again? Yes, tell the definition. Noun is a name of person, place, animal and things. Okay. So we will discuss about noun in the next class and some homophone words which make the sound similar. Okay? Yes. So thank you for watching the video, and I want your classworks complete within 2-3 days. Submit after writing. Okay? Bye. Have a nice day.